Welcome to today's video, where we'll delve into a critical topic: why an Amazon business is better than a Bitcoin ATM automated business. Let's start by understanding the Bitcoin ATM business. A Bitcoin ATM is essentially a machine that facilitates Bitcoin transactions using cash. It may seem promising at first glance, but there are pivotal factors to consider. Notably, Bitcoin ATMs grapple with intricate legal constraints that differ significantly from one U.S. state to another. This regional regulatory divergence profoundly affects your potential customer base and the overall feasibility of your Bitcoin ATM business. Moreover, it's crucial to acknowledge that Bitcoin ATMs have often been linked to transactions of questionable legality, or even illicit activities. These associations raise regulatory red flags and cast shadows on public perception, intensifying the complexity that Bitcoin ATM businesses face. To navigate these challenges effectively, operators must prioritize regulatory compliance and public trust through vigilant due diligence and ethical practices. In essence, running a Bitcoin ATM business demands proactive adherence to legal and ethical standards to maintain a positive public image while navigating the complex regulatory landscape. Now, let's delve into the financial aspects of the Bitcoin ATM business. Launching a Bitcoin ATM business entails a significant financial commitment, often surpassing 5 figures. While monthly gross income varies, it frequently falls within the $1,000 to $6,000 range, showcasing both profit potential and the substantial upfront financial investment required. However, it's essential to consider operational expenses like machine maintenance and location fees, which can significantly reduce your profitability. In a worst-case scenario with a $40,000 startup cost and only $1,000 per month in income, after all operating costs, you can be left with as low as $600. Your annual return on investment could plummet to as low as $7,200, resulting in a modest 18% ROI per year. Recognizing that recovering your initial investment in a Bitcoin ATM business may extend beyond the 5-year mark is crucial. This extended timeline underscores the importance of exercising patience and implementing sound financial planning. By adopting a methodical approach, you can better navigate the complexities of the industry, effectively managing operational costs, regulatory compliance expenses, and any unexpected challenges that may arise. In doing so, you lay the groundwork for the realization of substantial returns on your initial investment, making it not just a venture for the present, but a well-prepared strategy for long-term success and financial growth. In summary, the Bitcoin ATM business demands careful financial management, as it involves considerable costs and an extended timeline for ROI. Now that we've explored the intricacies of the Bitcoin ATM business, let's delve into the merits of choosing an Amazon business as a viable alternative. Amazon stands as a global giant in the e-commerce landscape, offering entrepreneurs a multitude of advantages. One of the standout features is the sheer diversity of products available on Amazon. From electronics to apparel, books to kitchenware, the platform caters to a wide range of interests, allowing you to explore and adapt to ever-changing consumer preferences. Amazon's expansive global reach means you can access an extensive customer base without the need for a physical presence in multiple locations. This inherently reduces the barriers of entry and simplifies market expansion. The Fulfillment by Amazon (FBA) program is a game changer. It enables you to outsource warehousing, shipping, and even customer service, streamlining your operations and freeing up valuable time for strategic planning and growth. Amazon Seller Central serves as your control center, offering an intuitive interface replete with data and tools to optimize your listings, monitor sales, and make informed business decisions. The Amazon Prime membership program not only attracts customers with fast and reliable delivery options, but also provides sellers with an opportunity to join Amazon Prime, offering exclusive benefits to your customers and potentially increasing loyalty. Success stories of entrepreneurs thriving on Amazon abound. These tales exemplify the platform's potential for profitability and scalability, showcasing the possibilities that await savvy business owners. Let's delve deeper into Amazon's versatility and growth potential. What's particularly appealing about Amazon's seller platform is its low entry barrier. You can kickstart your Amazon seller venture with as little as $300, which makes an accessible opportunity for a broad spectrum of aspiring entrepreneurs. To ensure a fair and equitable comparison, let's imagine you have the same $40,000 as you did for the Bitcoin ATM business. However, after subtracting the monthly seller account subscription fee of $39.99, you're left with a starting capital of $39,960 for your Amazon inventory. On average, you can make 30 cents on every dollar spent on inventory with Amazon FBA. So with $39,960, that is $11,988 profit per month. That means per year a minimum of $143,856 profit, and this is assuming you don't reinvest the gains. That's a 360% return on investment per year. Now that's a real business. Unlike Bitcoin ATMs, Amazon's opportunities span a multitude of product categories. Whether you're interested in electronics, fashion, home goods, or even niche hobbies, there's room for your venture. Moreover, Amazon offers global reach. Your products can reach customers not only across the United States, but worldwide. This expansive reach opens doors to a vast customer base that's eager to explore your offerings. Operating on Amazon comes with another advantage: fulfillment. Amazon fulfillment centers handle storage, packing, and shipping. This means less stress and more time for you to focus on growing your business. The ease of fulfillment means scalability is within your grasp. As your sales grow, Amazon can accommodate your needs seamlessly. Amazon Prime and the trust it instills in customers is invaluable. Shoppers associate Amazon with reliability, which can boost your brand's credibility. Positive customer reviews on Amazon can quickly build your reputation and lead to increased sales. It's a snowball effect that can propel your business to new heights. In conclusion, the comparison between starting a Bitcoin ATM business and becoming an Amazon seller demonstrates a clear winner. Amazon offers accessibility, profitability, scalability, and a proven track record. The potential for growth is substantial, and the benefits are numerous. Thank you for watching our exploration of why an Amazon business surpasses a Bitcoin ATM automated business. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more insights into lucrative business opportunities.